Good morning, I'm Clinton Griffiths. The nation's largest wildfire is devastating farm communities right now in southern Oregon. The Bootleg Fire has burned almost 400,000 acres. That's an area larger than Los Angeles. That fire has been particularly heartbreaking for cattle ranchers. I want to warn you, the pictures we're about to show you may be upsetting. Republican Congressman Cliff Bentz of Oregon sharing these heartbreaking photos on Facebook of livestock and wildlife killed by the fire. Bentz saying ranchers' lives are being ruined, many of whom are risking their own lives to save their animals. One rancher telling the Capitol Press the fire burned through her entire permitted pastures where 180 cows were grazing, killing 15 of them. She says she was forced to euthanize others because they were so badly injured. And looking at another big fire right now, the Tamarack Fire along the California-Nevada border. A herd of cattle were spotted rushing to safety with the fire closing in behind them. The fire's tearing through areas dealing with high temperatures and severe drought.